modern outdoor kitchen in the courtyard of a private house, original design ideas. In recent years, outdoor kitchens have become increasingly popular among homeowners looking to enhance their living spaces and create a seamless connection between the indoors and outdoors. A modern outdoor kitchen in the courtyard of a private house offers a unique and stylish way to enjoy cooking, entertaining, and spending quality time with loved ones. In this article, we will explore original design ideas for creating a stunning outdoor cooking space that combines functionality with aesthetics. Maximizing space efficiency. When designing a modern outdoor kitchen in a private house courtyard, it is crucial to make the most efficient use of the available space. Incorporating multifunctional elements such as built-in grills, sinks, and storage cabinets can help optimize the cooking area while maintaining a sleek and organized look. By utilizing vertical space with hanging hooks and shelves, you can keep cooking utensils and tools within easy reach. Seamless integration with the courtyard. To achieve a harmonious blend between the outdoor kitchen and the courtyard, it is essential to consider the overall design and style of the house. Choose materials and finishes that complement the existing architecture, such as stainless steel appliances for modern aesthetic or natural stone countertops for a rustic appeal. Additionally, incorporating natural elements like plants and greenery can create a seamless transition from the kitchen to the surrounding outdoor space. Incorporating functional zones. To create a well-balanced outdoor kitchen, it is essential to divide the space into functional zones. Consider incorporating a grilling area, a food preparation area, and a dining or seating area for outdoor entertaining. By separating these zones, you can ensure optimal workflow while providing designated spaces for different activities. Use headings and subheadings to clearly delineate each zone and make the article more reader-friendly. Embracing original design ideas. One of the key aspects of a modern outdoor kitchen is the opportunity to showcase original design ideas. Consider incorporating unique features such as a built-in pizza oven, a teppanyaki grill, or a custom-designed bar area. These elements not only add functionality but also become conversation starters and focal points within the courtyard. Additionally, integrating creative lighting solutions, such as LED strips or pendant lights, can enhance the ambience and create a cozy atmosphere for evening gatherings. A modern outdoor kitchen in the courtyard of a private house offers an exciting and innovative way to enjoy outdoor cooking and entertaining. By maximizing space efficiency, seamlessly integrating the kitchen with the courtyard, incorporating functional zones, and embracing original design ideas, homeowners can create a stunning and functional outdoor cooking space. Whether it's a small patio kitchen or a spacious grilling area, the possibilities are endless. So, unleash your creativity and transform your private house courtyard into a remarkable oasis for outdoor culinary experiences. In recent years, outdoor kitchens have gained immense popularity among homeowners seeking to enhance their living spaces and embrace the beauty of nature. A modern outdoor kitchen in the courtyard of a private house offers a perfect blend of functionality, style, and convenience. This article explores original design ideas that can transform your outdoor cooking space into a stunning culinary haven. From sleek grilling areas to captivating patio kitchens, let's dive into the world of outdoor entertaining. Designing a functional outdoor kitchen. Before embarking on your outdoor kitchen journey, evaluate your courtyard size, shape, and overall layout. Optimize your space by creating distinct zones for cooking, dining, and relaxation. Choose modern kitchen appliances and durable workstations that can withstand the outdoor elements. Incorporate smart storage options to keep your cooking essentials organized and within reach. Embracing modern kitchen design elements. Incorporate clean lines, minimalist colors, and streamlined surfaces for a contemporary outdoor kitchen. Invest in weather-resistant materials such as stainless steel, concrete, or porcelain tiles that can withstand various weather conditions. Illuminate your outdoor kitchen with strategically placed lighting fixtures to create an inviting ambience for evening gatherings. Explore modern conveniences such as smart appliances and integrated sound systems to enhance your outdoor cooking experience. Showcasing original design ideas. Create visually appealing outdoor kitchens by incorporating multiple levels for cooking, prepping, and serving. Install a custom-built grilling area that suits your cooking preferences, whether it's gas, charcoal, or wood-fired. Consider using unconventional countertop materials such as quartzite, concrete, or natural stone to add character to your outdoor kitchen. Elevate your culinary skills by adding a wood-fired pizza oven to your outdoor kitchen, perfect for entertaining guests. A modern outdoor kitchen in the courtyard of a private house offers a delightful space for enjoying outdoor cooking and entertaining. By implementing original design ideas, you can transform your outdoor area into a functional and visually stunning culinary haven. From sleek grilling areas to captivating patio kitchens, the possibilities are endless. Embrace the beauty of the outdoors and create a modern outdoor kitchen that reflects your personal style and enhances your outdoor entertaining experience.